Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,000, DeMotte, Indiana. The 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 captures the unmistakable spirit of the Ironhead era, a favorite among chopper builders and vintage Harley enthusiasts. Known for its rugged V-twin engine and simple mechanical design, the Sportster has remained a popular platform for custom builds with timeless old-school style and lasting appeal. This project features a rebuilt engine, hardtail frame, Springer front end, new white wall rear tire, and a collection of new chrome and hard-to-find parts. The matching title is included, while the tank and fender are ready for final paint before completion. For buyers looking to finish a classic Harley chopper with much of the major work already completed, this project offers excellent potential. Number 2. 1988 Honda Shadow VT600, $3,250, Marysville, Ohio. The 1988 Honda Shadow VT600 is a dependable mid-sized cruiser that helped establish Honda's reputation for reliable V-twin motorcycles. With comfortable handling, classic cruiser styling, and proven durability, the VT600 continues to attract riders looking for an affordable custom platform with everyday usability. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great, shifts smoothly, and shows no leaks. A hardtail conversion and additional owner modifications give it a distinctive custom look while maintaining Honda's dependable performance. For anyone wanting a unique cruiser that's ready to enjoy, this Shadow makes a very appealing choice. Number 3. 1967 Harley-Davidson XL 900, $6,800, Cross Plains, Wisconsin. The 1967 Harley-Davidson XL 900 represents one of the most desirable generations of the early Sportster, prized for its classic styling and authentic Ironhead character. Vintage models from this era remain popular with collectors thanks to their right-foot shift configuration, strong mechanical simplicity, and unmistakable Harley personality. The seller reports a 900cc engine, 4-speed transmission, electric and kickstart, fishtail exhaust, and several thoughtful upgrades throughout the motorcycle. A recent tune-up, fresh oil change, excellent tires, and a clear Wisconsin title complete the package. For enthusiasts searching for a distinctive vintage Harley that's ready to ride, this Sportster stands out as a unique example. Number 4. 1973 Yamaha CT3 175, $3,500, Velas, North Carolina. The 1973 Yamaha CT3 175 is a classic two-stroke enduro that reflects Yamaha's success in building lightweight and versatile trail motorcycles during the early 1970s. Its simple design, dependable engine, and enjoyable handling continue to make the CT3 a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example has been carefully restored while preserving its original paint and seat for added authenticity. The seller also installed numerous NOS Yamaha parts along with a new rear tire, chain, sprockets, battery, and grips, while the engine reportedly continues to perform well. Complete with a clear title, owner's manual, and toolkit, this CT3 offers a great balance of originality and rideability. Number 5. 1980 BMW R65, $3,500, Richmond, Virginia. The 1980 BMW R65 introduced a lighter version of BMW's respected Boxer twin, combining classic European styling with the durability the brand is known for. Smooth performance, comfortable ergonomics, and dependable engineering continue to make the R65 a rewarding choice for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller describes this motorcycle as being in good condition and notes that it was previously owned by a BMW motorcycle mechanic. The sale also includes period BMW hardshell saddlebags and 2 helmets, adding extra value for the next owner. For buyers seeking a well-maintained classic boxer with useful touring accessories, this R65 is an attractive opportunity. Number 6. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $5,000, Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 is one of the most respected performance motorcycles of the 1970s, building on the legendary reputation of Kawasaki's early superbikes. Its powerful inline-4 engine and strong aftermarket support have made the KZ900 a favorite for both restorations and custom chopper projects. This example has been transformed into a classic old-school custom with unmistakable vintage style. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs, rides, and stops, although it has not been on the road for the past 2 years. It features a vintage 1970s girder front end, lock-up clutch, PM rear disc brake, and numerous period-correct custom parts. For buyers looking for a distinctive vintage chopper with classic Kawasaki performance, this KZ900 offers plenty of character. Number 7. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $7,800, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster represents the rugged personality of the Ironhead era, combining classic American styling with the unmistakable sound of Harley's iconic V-twin. Well-restored examples remain highly desirable among enthusiasts for their vintage charm, mechanical simplicity, and strong collector appeal. The seller describes this motorcycle as a show-quality restoration with fewer than 10,000 miles on its fully rebuilt engine. The powder-coated frame, included leather accessories, extra seat, and reportedly excellent running condition make it an impressive package. For anyone seeking a beautifully restored vintage Sportster that's ready to enjoy, this XLH is a standout example. Number 8. 1978 Suzuki GS750, $3,000, Joliet, Illinois. The 1978 Suzuki GS750 helped establish Suzuki as a serious competitor in the 4-cylinder motorcycle market, earning praise for its dependable engine and balanced performance. Today, the GS750 remains a popular platform for cafe racer and custom builds, thanks to its timeless styling and solid engineering. This example features a rare fiberglass Tracy body kit imported from Japan, giving it a distinctive cafe racer appearance. The seller also notes a new front tire, rebuilt shocks, and both kick and electric starting capability. For riders looking for a unique vintage Suzuki with custom flair, this GS750 offers an eye-catching combination of style and performance. Number 9. 1988 BMW 100, $3,850, Maple Park, Illinois. The 1988 BMW 100 is a classic air-cooled boxer that has earned a loyal following for its smooth performance, durable engineering, and comfortable long-distance capability. Many enthusiasts appreciate the R100 as an excellent platform for tasteful upgrades while preserving the dependable character that defines vintage BMW motorcycles. According to the seller, this bike features rebuilt carburetors, fresh paint, new tires, upgraded suspension, stainless brake lines, and several quality aftermarket components. The engine reportedly runs well, with no leaks or smoke, while the handling benefits from the extensive modifications. For buyers seeking a well-sorted custom boxer with everyday usability, this R100 presents an attractive opportunity. Number 10. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,500, Davenport, Iowa. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead marks the final years of one of Harley's most legendary V-twin engine families, admired for its unmistakable sound and classic custom appeal. Shovelhead-powered motorcycles continue to hold a special place among enthusiasts, thanks to their timeless styling and strong presence in American chopper culture. This motorcycle features a hardtail frame, an 80 cubic inch engine from 1979, and a traditional 4-speed transmission that complements its old-school character. The seller notes that the price is firm and the bike is offered without trade considerations. For anyone searching for a classic Harley with authentic vintage chopper personality, this Shovelhead is well worth a closer look. Number 11. 1972 Kawasaki Bushmaster 100 Enduro, $1,475, Oxford, Michigan. The 1972 Kawasaki Bushmaster 100 Enduro reflects the growing popularity of lightweight dual-purpose motorcycles during the early 1970s. Compact, simple, and easy to ride, these small-displacement Kawasaki models became favorites for exploring back roads, trails, and everyday transportation, while remaining enjoyable for riders of all experience levels. The seller describes this Bushmaster as being in good condition and starting on the second kick, making it ready for casual riding. Its lightweight design and vintage character make it an enjoyable choice for relaxed weekend outings or local cruises. For buyers seeking an affordable classic enduro, this little Kawasaki offers plenty of nostalgic charm. Number 12. 1972 Hodaka Wombat 125, $3,500, Summerville, South Carolina. The 1972 Hodaka Wombat 125 remains one of the most recognizable lightweight trail bikes of its era, earning a loyal following for its playful handling and dependable two-stroke performance. Hodaka motorcycles continue to enjoy strong collector interest thanks to their unique history, distinctive styling, and fun riding experience. According to the seller, this Wombat is an extremely low-mileage original example and is offered with a price that is negotiable or open to interesting trades. While no title is included, its originality adds to its appeal for enthusiasts and collectors alike. For anyone looking to own a classic Hodaka, this Wombat presents an intriguing opportunity. Number 13. 1972 Yamaha LT2, $2,500, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. The 1972 Yamaha LT2 is a lightweight two-stroke that helped establish Yamaha's reputation for building dependable and enjoyable small-displacement motorcycles. Its simple design, smooth power delivery, and practical nature made it a popular choice for both commuting and recreational riding during the early 1970s. The Senna reports that this LT2 runs great and has only about 3,600 miles on the odometer. It recently received carburetor service and a new fuel filter, while the tires are described as being like new. Complete with a title, this Yamaha offers a well-preserved vintage rider that's ready to be enjoyed once again. Number 14. 1967 Triumph Bonneville Bobber, $6,500, Newport, Ohio. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R is one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles, admired for its lively parallel twin engine and timeless styling.
Bobber conversions built around the Bonneville continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate classic craftsmanship blended with a clean, minimalist custom appearance. This example features matching engine and frame numbers, Amal carburetors, and just 145 miles on its rebuilt top end. The seller notes a clean title and only minor cosmetic imperfections, while describing the bike as being in great condition for its age. For buyers seeking a classic British bobber with vintage character, this Bonneville is a very appealing choice.
Number 15. 1985 Honda Rebel, $1,000, Cleveland, Ohio. The 1985 Honda Rebel earned a reputation as one of the best beginner motorcycles ever produced, thanks to its lightweight handling, approachable performance, and dependable Honda engineering. Even today, the Rebel remains a popular choice for new riders and those looking for an affordable, easy-to-maintain classic cruiser. The seller shares that this bike was used as a first motorcycle and describes it as fun to ride. It will need a new clutch and battery before returning to regular service, making it a straightforward project for its next owner. For anyone searching for an inexpensive vintage Honda with plenty of potential, this Rebel is worth considering.